This video, I'm going to be jumping into a Spectrum Mobile by the gig review. Is 1 GB of cell phone internet data good enough? Well, guys, let's talk about it. Well, hey there, guys. Welcome back to another episode on EB3 Tech. And if we're meeting for the first time, I am your host, Eddie Blotnicki III. And on this channel, we're typically talking tech. Today, guys, we're talking about Spectrum Mobile again. Today, we're going to be talking about the by the gig for $14 a month. And is it enough? So, guys, we're going to go ahead. We're going to dive right on in here. All right. So we're going to go ahead and explore the plans here. So today, like I said, we're talking about the by the gig, $14 gigabyte here. And I'm going to go ahead, break it on down for you. So you can go ahead and share the data for up to 10 lines. So basically, what that means is you can have 10 people, and they each have to pay $14 a month, and they each get 1 GB of data. But they can mix and match that data. So basically, what that means is if you have 2 lines, for example, one person can use 1.5 gigabytes, another person can use only half a gig, and you won't be charged anything extra. That's what they mean by the mix and match. You can share the data for up to 10 lines, pay for the data you use, and you can also switch to the unlimited anytime, which is this one, or the unlimited plus for $55. You can switch plans at any time here. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to click on Learn More here. And this is basically just going to go a little bit deeper, a little bit of a deeper dive here. So like I already went into, we can share the data for up to 10 lines. You can mix and match. One person can use a lot of data. Another person can use hardly any data. And if you happen to go over, they just basically charge you an extra $14 for an additional gigabyte of data. So we're talking about, is the by the gig right for you? So we're going to read here, and then I'm going to give my own personal response to this here. So it's the best plan for the money if you mostly use Wi-Fi and less than 3 gigabytes of cellular data a month. Each line starts with the 1 gigabyte of data, and you can share the data with up to 10 lines. And if you need to, you can add more data, just $14, which is basically, it will do that automatically for you. We're also going to talk about this here. You can use your Wi-Fi at your house or Spectrum's out-of-home Wi-Fi spots. We're going to be talking about that coming up here. I found that this was really cool, and I've actually personally used it myself a couple times, and it's pretty sweet. So you can go ahead and view your usage or upgrade anytime within the Spectrum Mobile app. So if you wanted to upgrade your plan, you can do it on there, you can do it online, or you can even call customer service at 611, and you can change your plan at any time if you so choose. So what can you do with just 1 gigabyte of cellular data? So for a guy like me, I can go through it pretty quickly here, and I'm sure most of you are heavy data users. I'm sure you watch a lot of YouTube videos. I appreciate if you watch the EB3 Tech channel a little bit more. Just a little teaser in there. Got to throw a little bit of comedy into the mix, of course. That's why you guys watch me, isn't it? So 16 and a half hours, you can listen to audio. 10 and a half hours of gaming online, browsing social media. If you're playing like heavy duty games, that's not entirely accurate. If you're just playing like the Facebook games, don't use a lot of data. I can kind of see where they get that 10 hours there, but you're not going to be playing those high intense, frame intensive games. That just won't work. Or here we go. just a half hour of streaming HD video. You can use up 1 gig. So as you guys can see, 1 gigabyte is really not a whole lot here. So I'm going to go ahead, let me pipe in here. So 1 gig, if you are just looking for internet on the go, you use the majority of your internet at the house, then the 1 gig of data, just keep an eye on it. But it might be just enough for you. If you just on the go, just want to check your email, check the weather, do very light tasks, then 1 gigabyte of data might be right for you. But you know it, guys. You know if you're a user that is going to go definitely past that. If you're one who watches a lot of YouTube videos, just like I said, it's not going to be quite enough for you. And then I wanted to talk about the out-of-home, the Wi-Fi, and access points here. This is pretty cool. And I will leave links to this, and I'll also leave a link in the description to where if you are a Spectrum Mobile customer, you can also activate this. You can also activate this if you're on one of the unlimited plans, the 45 or the 55 as well. So you can go ahead and even get faster speeds if all your high-speed data is used up. So this is pretty cool here, guys. So the Spectrum out-of-home Wi-Fi. These spots in blue, and I'm northern Wisconsin, as you guys know. There's quite a bit of these up here by me. So I just wanted to show you just the United States map first. We're going to go ahead, we're going to zoom in here. And I'm right about in this area here. And as you can see in the blue, I've got quite a bit up by me here. So basically what this is it's a profile that you can install on your iPhone, or you Android users out there. You can use the profile here with the Spectrum Wi-Fi. Here's the link. You want to go ahead and log into your account here, install the profile, and essentially that's it. So what the profile does is when you're in an area where there is Spectrum internet, your phone will automatically connect to the Spectrum internet. So it won't go against your mobile data. I find this very, very cool here. Anyway, guys, like I said, you have to be a Spectrum internet customer in order to use this. If you are not, you can get a free 30-minute trial. When you go to the profile, there'll be an option there. You can go ahead and select a guest network and try it out. Here's how you get that free 30-minute trial. Enable your Wi-Fi, select Spectrum Wi-Fi, click on guest, click on sign in, and basically you're good to go. But like I said, guys, since I am a Spectrum Mobile customer, I actually have this on my phone, and it's pretty cool. Every once in a while when I'm out and about, I'll see my phone just automatically using Wi-Fi, and I'm like, what Wi-Fi am I connected to? And then I'll look, and it'll be Spectrum Mobile. So anyway, guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't enjoy this video, well, that other button seems to work okay too. And maybe you're watching me maybe for the very first time, guys. You might be able to tell, or maybe you can't. Hopefully you can't, but those of you who watch me regularly, I am a little tired right now. I'm always doing a lot of stuff, guys. And so I have to make these videos, put these videos out. You guys are asking for these. The YouTube algorithm is literally begging me to make more videos, so that's why I'm making these videos for you guys. So, like I said, guys, if you enjoy the content that I do, then consider clicking on subscribe and go ahead and tick the little notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. So anyway, guys, that's going to go ahead and be it for today. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get this video edited and uploaded, and it'll be ready for your guys' viewing pleasure. So, alright guys, like I said, I greatly appreciate the support, getting better with each and every one of my videos that I do, and I think I just need more sleep. So, anyway guys, like I said, thank you so much for the support. Guys, stay tuned for the next video, and we'll go from there. And yes, guys, more content, it is on the way soon. Alright guys, and until next time.